Welcome, here I've got REALME Pad, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard picture mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to focus on general category. At the last place here we have composition lines, so let's tap on them, and now we can pick standard grid or cross, so let me pick the first one. When we move back to camera, we can see these lines in the preview. This is useful when we want to use the rule of third in photography, for example, or making experiments with composition at our picture. Once again, let's move to right corner settings, to composition lines, and tap to cross now. So the lines has changed to this type of view. And of course remember that all of them are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo, and when I move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see any of these lines, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to right corner settings, tap to composition lines and turn them off here, or tap to grid as we need. And that's all. For now, the grid lines have gone in the preview. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.